How do you ensure the quality and accuracy of your data?
As a data analyst, I understand that the quality and accuracy of data are crucial to the success of any project. To ensure that the data is reliable, I first start by understanding the source of the data and its context. I also validate the data by checking for missing values, outliers, and inconsistencies. I then use statistical methods and visualization techniques to analyze the data and identify any errors or anomalies. Finally, I document my findings and work with the team to resolve any issues before proceeding with analysis. Regular data checks and cleaning are also necessary to maintain the quality and accuracy of the data throughout the project lifecycle.
What experience do you have with data analysis?
I have experience with data analysis through my education and previous work experience. I have worked on projects that involve data cleaning, statistical analysis, and visualization. I am proficient in programming languages such as Python and R and have experience with data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI.
How would you explain a complex data analysis concept to a non-technical stakeholder?
I would use simple and clear language to explain the concept, avoid jargon and technical terms. I would also use visual aids such as charts and graphs to help illustrate the concept and its implications. Additionally, I would encourage questions and feedback to ensure that the stakeholder understands the concept and its relevance to the project.
How do you approach problem solving in data analysis?
When faced with a problem, I start by defining the problem and identifying its root cause. I then gather and analyze data relevant to the problem, using statistical and visualization techniques to gain insights. I also consult with other team members or stakeholders to get additional perspectives and information. Once I have a clear understanding of the problem and its implications, I develop a solution and implement it, continually monitoring and adjusting as necessary.
What programming languages are you proficient in?
I am proficient in programming languages such as Python, R, SQL, and Java. What experience do you have with data visualization tools? I have experience with data visualization tools such as Tableau, Power BI, and Matplotlib. I have used these tools to create visually appealing and informative charts and graphs to communicate complex data insights to stakeholders.
How do you handle missing data or outliers in your analysis?
To handle missing data, I first identify the reason for the missing data and determine if it's missing completely at random or not. I then use appropriate imputation techniques such as mean, median, or regression to fill in the missing values. For outliers, I identify them using statistical methods and visualization techniques, and then decide whether to remove them or keep them based on their relevance to the analysis and impact on the overall results.
What experience do you have with database management systems?
I have experience with database management systems such as MySQL and PostgreSQL. I have used these systems to manage and query large datasets, optimize database performance, and ensure data security.
Can you walk me through your process of creating a data report or dashboard?
First, I identify the purpose and audience of the report or dashboard. I then gather and clean the necessary data, perform analysis, and visualize the results using appropriate charts and graphs. I then design the report or dashboard layout, making it visually appealing and easy to understand. Finally, I test the report or dashboard, ensuring its accuracy and functionality.
What experience do you have with SQL and database querying?
I am proficient in SQL and have experience with database querying. I have used SQL to write complex queries to retrieve and manipulate data from relational databases.
How do you stay up to date with industry trends and new technologies in data analysis?
I stay up to date with industry trends and new technologies in data analysis by reading industry publications, attending conferences and webinars, participating in online communities, and taking online courses and certifications. I also regularly practice and experiment with new tools and techniques in my own data analysis projects.
How do you handle conflicting priorities or requirements in a data analysis project?
When faced with conflicting priorities or requirements in a data analysis project, I would first assess the situation and try to understand the underlying reasons for the conflicts. I would then work with stakeholders to prioritize the requirements and develop a plan that addresses the most critical needs while ensuring the integrity and accuracy of the data analysis. Communication and collaboration are key to resolving conflicts in a data analysis project.
What experience do you have with machine learning algorithms?
I have experience with machine learning algorithms through my education and previous work experience. I have worked on projects that involve supervised and unsupervised learning, classification, regression, and clustering. I am proficient in Python and R and have used libraries such as scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and Keras to implement machine learning models.
Can you give an example of a challenging data analysis project you worked on and how you overcame it?
One challenging data analysis project I worked on involved analyzing customer feedback data from multiple sources and identifying common themes and trends. The data was unstructured and required text mining and sentiment analysis techniques. I overcame this challenge by using natural language processing techniques to pre-process the data and then applying topic modeling and clustering algorithms to identify the common themes and sentiments. I also worked with the team to validate the results and ensure their accuracy.
How do you handle sensitive or confidential data in a data analysis project?
I understand the importance of data security and confidentiality in a data analysis project. I would ensure that the data is stored securely and access is restricted to authorized personnel only. I would also comply with any relevant laws and regulations governing the use and handling of sensitive data. Additionally, I would obtain necessary permissions and consent from stakeholders and communicate clearly with them about the handling and use of their data.